Hello dear, welcome here, and today in this video I'm going to share my feeling about Red Fort because I went Red Fort and I went there. Now I have come in my home. Now I am in my home and I have visited Red Fort. So, what was my feeling in the Red Fort and what I was feeling because this was my first time I visited the Red Fort. So, I was feeling very nice and I was thinking that what a beautiful building and what a beautiful, scenery is this. Yes, I think if you have also visited, then tell me what was the most beautiful in the Red Fort. And now I'm also going to talk about the Red Fort. How was the Red Fort and how was my feeling in the Red Fort when I was traveling with my brother and with my mother. Yes, I was traveling with my mother and with my brother. There were two people with me, mother and brother, and I like my mother and brother both. Yes, my dear, there must be a little fun with our parents or with our, with our brother and sister. So my brother is very, my brother and sister both are very, very nice, and I like my brother most, and I like also my sister, and I like my parents also. So let's talk about Red Fort. Red Fort is very beautiful, and this is very nice. And most of the people went into the Red Fort. Went into the Red Fort. I also went there. When I went there, so there were some Indians, there were some foreigners, and I was very, I was feeling very nice when I was there, and I was watching some foreigners. They were in front of me, and I was watching them, and I was, and my brother said to me, go there and talk to foreigners, go there and talk to foreigners. Then I denied my brother, I will not go to talk to them. But after some time I went. When my brother boosted up my confidence, then I went to one two foreigners. There were one girl and one boy. I went there, and I go and I said hello, what are you doing? So they talked to me very tenderly, and they were telling about their opinion about Red Fort, and I was saying to them, I was thinking about talking to you, but and I take a selfie with them. So this was, and those foreigners were from France, but they were talking in English also. They had idea about English, so they were talking in the English also, and I talked to them, and I talked to three or four foreigners. Yes, my dear, not three or four, but group. There were three groups of foreigners. I talked to them. So one was with one group was of one group of brother and sister, one group of you know wife and husband, and third group I don't know. I don't have any idea about third group, so sorry for that, my dear. So this was my this was all about my journey. So my brother clicked some pictures, and my mother also clicked pictures, and I was feeling very nice there. So that's it, my dear, and I think that you have enjoyed this video very properly. If you have enjoyed, then that's it. We will meet in another video. Till then, bye bye.